It is a beautiful 87-degree day out here today. And you're probably wondering why I'm outside. That's right. We got grass to cut today, boys and girls, so might as well get a start up, why not? And while that's opening, I'm pretty sure I did add gas in it last time. Oh yeah. You see the thing splashing around? I'll do it one more time. There is gas in it. Now let's roll this thing out of here. Let me check the oil first. My dad done tell me a very important lesson. Always check the oil. I guess that's pretty good. Okay. Close this up. I done got my fingers dirty, but hey, who cares? Let's roll this out of here. Now, last time I rolled it out, I had trouble rolling out, so it was pretty stiff rolling out. But I think the brakes aren't acting up on it. Okay, see, it's not that hard rolling it out this time. I think the brakes on here were just acting up last time. Brakes were probably stuck or something, who knows. And this will be your late September startup video of it, so let's see what we got. I don't know, there was a piece of dust on there for some reason. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Grab my keys out the pocket real quick. Let's see, there we go. We're going to put this back. Blades are set to where they were last time. It's on a 4. We will put the key in. Neutral, brake, clutch, and contact. Oh. Second time it cranked. On the last startup it did it at the first time. Oh gosh, it's smoky. Smoke coming out this time. Woo! Yeah. Still misfiring a bit. I guess that's just how it is. You can kind of see the belt bouncing around there a little bit. Alright everyone, well that's going to be it. There was your late September startup of it. I know I am recording this a bit late this month. I apologize. But there you go everyone. That's it. If you enjoyed it, hit like, subscribe, tap the bell so that way you'll know when my next video is uploaded. Comment down below. We'll catch you on the next one.